If you are looking for a simple, natural way to brighten your skin and get that radiant glow, you are in the right place. Today I am sharing two super easy and effective coffee face mask recipes that will wake up your skin just like your morning coffee wakes you up. Coffee is packed with antioxidants that helps to remove dead skin cells naturally. These face masks will leave your skin feeling refreshed, rejuvenated and oh so bright. So let's get started. For ingredients, you will need some coffee powder, a lemon and some rose water. Take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Coffee removes the dead skin cells and fades dark spots. It fights acne, reduces sunspots and redness. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice reduces hyperpigmentation. It removes the pigmented cells and clears your skin. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Rose water is a natural toner. It unclogs pores, removes dirt and refreshes the skin. Mix the ingredients well. Apply this onto your face and massage for 1 minute. This will act as an exfoliant to remove blackheads, whiteheads and dead skin cells. Massaging increases the blood flow on the face and gives you a natural glowing skin. After massaging, leave the mask to rest for 5 minutes. Wash your face with plain water. My skin has brightened up and the face mask has removed my dullness. There's no blackheads and whiteheads and my skin feels clear. For the ingredients, you will need rose water, wheat flour, coffee powder and a mixing bowl and spoon. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. You can use any brand coffee powder. Add 1 teaspoon of wheat flour, that is atta. Add 4 teaspoons of rose water. Mix everything together. Apply it evenly onto your face. This face mask can be applied by both men and women. Let it sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash off with water. This face mask for oily skin removes the sebum, that is oiliness. It made my skin feel fresh and matte. 2 simple coffee face masks that you can make at home for healthier and brighter skin. Until the next time, take care. Bye.